Thank you for watching Lost Day Syndrome. My name is Matthew Brown, and in this video I'm going to talk about how I need to have a healthier lifestyle. In the sense, I need to be more observant and aware on the type of food that I am consuming in my body. And I'll be honest, for the majority part of my life I really have not paid attention to the kind of food I'm eating. I feel like really one of the reasons why is because, well, I've kind of gotten away with cheating my body in this unhealthy food. And well, maybe we'll give credit to genetics, the reason why I was able to just kind of avoid some maybe harsh penalties on not making sure I live healthier. But the thing is, yes, I am getting older, and I know that I'm not going to be able to get away with it for the rest of my life. Eventually, as we get older, our bodies break down, our immune system's not as great, so it's time for me to quit cheating and start, taking life just a little bit more seriously in the condition that I'm in. Yeah, I can cook a little bit of meals, but to be honest, these meals are not the most nutritious. And when I don't feel like cooking for myself, maybe like a lot of people, I just decide to go to, the typical fast food joints. And I'm not, trying to diminish any of these fast food places. I'm not saying to boycott these places. It just needs to be to the point where I'm eating so healthy, I can kind of like reflect on, man, you know what? It's been a while since I've had a cheeseburger, and maybe who knows? Maybe I've been living such a healthy life that I won't have that desire or craving for like a good juicy cheeseburger. And I'm not trying to say I need to live a vegan life. Who knows? Maybe, because in case you are not familiar with my channel, I do a lot of gardening and trying to learn how to grow my own food. And it will kind of just make sense, to learn how to grow all this, vegetables and not know what to do with it, just I gotta learn it. I don't want to make just boring meals. It'd be good to, make some nice meals with this food. But the thing is, one of the reasons why I haven't really, taken anything seriously, I've been a little, you could say maybe mentally lazy and not taking the effort on learning how to have a healthier lifestyle, learning how to cook for myself, or at least in the sense of a good nutritious meal for myself, was because I've never really taken the time. I don't know how to cook these stuff. It's not because I'm not good at it, because I honestly can't even say I really tried. And it's time for me to start trying. I don't want to be in my 50s and my doctor telling me, Matt, you should have taken much better care of yourself. And I'm going to be looking at myself during this time like, yeah, what was I doing? I should have. Duh. We're not going to, our health, I'm not getting any younger, so body's just going to break down. And so it just makes more sense that maybe if I'm smarter now, if I'm a smart person in general, then I would put in the effort in now, and that way I'm not having to try that much harder, when I get older. But so I guess I don't know if there's a theme to this video, is yes, obviously I need to learn how to eat healthier, but like I was saying, I don't know how, and I'm going to have to start learning. So on this channel, what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start taking some, looking up some meals that I feel like, maybe good for beginners that I can cook for myself. And I will also, once I know what I'm doing, probably just give it at least one try. And as long as it tastes good, then I'll, make a video or something that like, hey, I think, someone else might enjoy this meal. It's pretty easy. If I can make it, then I'm sure whoever's watching this, you can make one too. That's one of the reasons why I'm pretty confident. If I find something I like and I cook it, I'm going to share it with you guys. And so if you're like me, you're just like, yeah, man, I really need to start, cooking or making myself and preparing myself healthier meals. I just don't know how. Well, we're going to learn together. And maybe if you are ahead of me on that, then hey, you can maybe drop some recipes or some ideas. Put some in the comment sections below, and I'll check it out. I'm be willing to try, just practically anything. I am a picky eater, but I'm going to try to, put that aside. If it's healthy, then I'll give it a shot. And so we'll be trading back maybe some menu ideas. And I don't know how frequently I can maybe do these type of meals, but I'm going to at least try at least once a week. I don't know if I'll post that video or not, but at least I'm going to at least try and make one healthy meal. Maybe even squeeze two if I can, but at least obviously, as far as a set goal, one for sure. And if that one goes well, then I'm going to share it with you guys and say, hey, look what I do. If I can make a healthy meal like this, then you guys can too. So that way, I'm evolving, as a gardener. I need to also evolve in learning how to prepare my food when I'm growing my food. So it just kind of makes sense, you know what I'm saying? So in case you're watching my channel for my gardening and you are ahead of me as a good cook, you know how to make these nice meals with these fruits and vegetables, and hey, like I said, you need to drop it down in the comment section. I'll check it out, and when I make some more meals in the future, you can say, hey, you like it, I tried it, it was really good, or I didn't like it, or well, maybe I did it wrong, or maybe I could do something different next time. But whatever, I want some ideas that maybe you try, and maybe I'll even post it on the video and give you a shout out, say, hey, thanks, that was a great idea. And so let's just kind of help each other out on this, see why not. I do have some like ebooks online that I'm going to check out, but if you already know something, I'll say, hey, let's just go and start sharing ideas while we're already, communicating. So, but anyways, I guess that's it. That's all I want to talk about. Like I said, I just need to eat a little bit healthier. I realize I'm not getting away with some stuff now that I used to when I was getting younger. It's not anything that is an emergency or anything to worry about. But the point is I shouldn't wait until anything's an emergency. I shouldn't wait until there's a sense of urgency of me having to live a healthier life. And that's just kind of what the basis of this video is act now so I don't have to hurt later. And be happy when I'm older, I'll be happy during this time in my life that I was like, yes, I'm glad for once I did something right, or at least something smart, for myself in the future. So anyway, I guess that's all I want to talk about. So some more videos or ideas to prepare that's going to happen in the future. With some more gardening videos and my sports rants and music videos as well. So this is just kind of another segment idea in this channel that I'll be doing. And like I said, if you got some ideas, I'll be more than welcome to listen to them. And like I said, just, anything. So I guess that's all. But thank you guys for watching. I want to appreciate all the new subscribers. I've been subscribing lately. I do appreciate it. And I will be posting some more videos here in the near future. So thanks again. And I'll see you all next time. Later.